Casillas Auto Paint. Today I'm going to be showing you guys steps to be able to paint tailgate. Basically this is for Toyota Tacoma, and why it's why it's sealed in red right now, because the color is actually red. Remember what I told you guys before, if you're painting white, seal it in white. If you're doing different colors, try to match your colors so you're not spending so much material. So this is actually going to go a 3-stage red pearl. So I'll be walking you guys through the steps. So we're going to do a base coat, pearl, and then clear coat over that after dry time. So stay tuned, and we'll be showing you guys how to do it step by step. Guys, the Casillas Auto Paint. Last time you guys seen this, it was primered. It was actually, it was sealed in red oxide. And why I used that, because I told you I was using the 3-stage red pearl. So basically here, I already sprayed the base coat, and I already sprayed 2 coats of pearl on there. And basically what you want to do with water base, make sure you guys have a nice clean surface, like always. And then also too, make sure the first coat, guys, is not thick at all, because it is water based, and when you put a lot of water together, what happens, guys? It actually opens up, right? So first layer of water based paint, only put fog it on there, basically fog it on there, so it removes fish eyes or any other what's called things that could actually happen to the water based paint. You're actually removing that, and you're actually helping yourself out. So the first coat, fog it on there, guys. Second coat, put it a little bit thicker. Third coat, if you're going to add another third coat, put it a little bit thicker, and then you should be good. So this is actually already ready, and we're actually going to clear this, but only once it dries. Water based, make sure, guys, you guys give it at least 20 to 30 minutes before it dries all the way. Flash time is really important. If you come and spray clear on top of this and it's still wet, it's actually going to change colors in certain spots. Welcome back, guys. Casillas Auto Paint. As you can see, this tailgate for this Toyota Tacoma is done. Just a reminder, when you're spraying water-based paints, make sure that it gets flashed. It dries properly all the way. You have one little corner or a little spot that's not dry, and if you come and spray clear over it, what's going to happen is it's going to change color right here. And especially if it's metallic or a 3-stage pearl, you just actually kind of messed it up. You're going to be able to see a big blotch of a different type of color. So make sure everything's dry. Go ahead and take your tack cloth, tack it off one more last time. You don't have no little dirt or dirt specks or nothing on there. Blow it off, and then go ahead and shoot your clear. Make sure when you're shooting your clear, you check your gun. Make sure it's clean. Clean it, number one. Make sure you check the PSI, and make sure you put your 2 or 3 coats that you're going to put on there, and wait about 5 to 6 minutes in between. That way the clear actually starts to get tacky a little bit. When you come by with the next coat, it won't sag on you or nothing. So you're actually just building shiny layers over shiny layers. So that way actually you can color sand and buff it if you really want to. But this is a final product, and stay tuned. I'll be showing you guys later more tips and tools how to use water-based paints.